Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Kroger account so the gift card links to your profile. This saves time at checkout. Once signed in, open the app or website wallet section and choose Add Gift Card. Enter the full gift card number and PIN exactly as printed, no spaces, then save. Doing this stores the balance online, which is necessary for Kroger's online checkout flow. Once saved, you can apply the card to orders without retyping numbers every time. With the card saved, build your cart and proceed to checkout. Choose pickup or delivery as required. When you reach payment, select gift card as the payment method and pick the saved card or paste the number and PIN again. Kroger applies the card balance first. If the balance doesn't cover the total, make sure to add a second payment method to cover the remainder. This two-step payment prevents order decline and ensures items reserved for your order remain held. Finalize by reviewing the applied gift card amount, then place your order and save the confirmation number. That proves payment. If the gift card is declined, first re-enter the number and PIN exactly and confirm the card's remaining balance. Typos and exhausted balances are the most common issues. If problems persist, contact Kroger Guest Services with your gift card number and order confirmation so they can investigate and either apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.